The frequency of a photon having energy 100 electron volt is given the value of Planck's constant h to be 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. Simply we know energy of a photon is equal to h nu, which is equal to 100 eV, which is equal to h की value है 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 into value of E, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So this is equal to the frequency of a photon having energy 100 electron volt is where the value of H is 6.610. Actually यहाँ पे mistake है, value of H की value है 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. ये करेक्ट कर लेना आप, यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई का साइन आएगा. सो सिंपली हम एक फोटोन की वैल्यू फ्रीक्वेंसी की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. वी नो एनर्जी ऑफ ए photon is equal to h nu and given value of energy is 100 electron volt, which is 100 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, which is equal to 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 into value frequency. So this implies frequency nu is equal to 100 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90 divided by 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34. So on solving this, we will get frequency to be 2.42 into 10 raised to 16 hertz. So looking at options, option B is the right answer. Again, यहाँ पे mistake है. This will be 1.6, not 2.6.